We have a piece on our front axle called the kingpin that is malfunctioning or is not as strong as it needs to be. Axle comes in to your tire. Between your tire and your axle, there's a pin. Keeps your wheel from going like this when you get on the road. This will destroy your wheel, your axle, and both sides. You know, it can mess you up. We're gonna get that fixed. It's not crazy bad, but we're gonna get it fixed because it may not pass inspection. That's an expense, but it's much less than it could have been. About $450 of labor, $700 total. It's just part of life, you know. It's your rent, you know. If you want to live like this, maintenance, house maintenance anyway, regardless of how you're living, it's just part of life. Well, all right. Woo! So, you know, just throw you back into it, Mr. Epps. Oh, man.
You had the easy part. Easy part. Easy part.